Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a project share. This is a project share that I'm doing from some of my girlfriends that we scrapbook with once a month, and we had decided that we wanted to exchange a pocket letter, and so we were supposed to just make one, but I decided to make one for each one of the girls, so as a surprise. So I made 6 of them. Well, I'm making 6 of them rather, so I'm finishing it up. So I got 2 more that I've done, and then when I finish the last 2, I'll make another video. And I already showed these. This is one of the little goodies that I'm going to be giving them. I showed this at my collab with Poise Spice, the Stuff It collab, the purses, bags, and boxes collab. So that has candy in it, so that's one of the treats that I'm going to give them. And I used the 12x12 paper pad, Snow and Cocoa, and Snow and Cocoa chipboard, Snow and Cocoa ephemera, some Martha Stewart, the large and the small punch. I used my E-Cake Success punch. There's some tags, but you're not going to see the tags, but I'm going to stick them in the part of the goodies. What else? And some Darice dies, which I'll show you. So these are the next 2. Oh, and I use this mason jar, that gingerbread, that bow, and this made with love die, and that little teeny tag die. So this is how I did it. I covered it with the paper. I put my logo on the back. It says DaretoBeCreative, and I just layered and put some thread under there. The Martha Stewart, excuse me, Maggie Holmes doily, and this says enjoy the little things. That's a little chipboard sticker, and this ephemera from the now this came from the paper. I cut that out from the paper. These 2, but I'm also using ephemera in here that came from the ephemera pack. Of course, I got everything from Tuesday morning. This is washi tape that goes with this line of paper. So in here, I just made an envelope for my We Are Memory Keepers punch board and just put some ephemera on it so you can kind of see the envelope. And then I put the frame around it, and this is a die from Bow Bunny. It says just because, and I put some string back here and a Martha Stewart punch right there. I think it turned out really cute. And then over here is a pocket letter, which I hadn't had a chance to do in a long time, which was fun. I punched out the snow die by E.K. Success, and I fussy cut out all of these what do you call it, the punch letters. It says, this one says January, wintertime. They had a whole page in the 12x12 page of these words right here, and that looking like that font, that puffy font. I forgot the name of it, but anyway, I fussy cut them all out to use them. And so these letters right here, Miss You, actually come from In Love Art Shop, and then right here, Season's Greetings dies as well. And then this is Snow Day. I heat embossed that word from the stamp collection. And then this is little gingerbread that came from off of that mason die, which right here is the mason die made out of vellum. So you may not see this well up here, but that's a mason jar made out of vellum. And this washi is a Snow and Cocoa washi up here. And so I just use elements from the Snow and Cocoa, and then that's the punch with the Martha Stewart. So you can kind of see how that looks. Just simple, quick pocket letter, but fun. I hadn't made those in a couple years, so that was kind of nice. And then in the back, I have a Snow and Cocoa pocket envelope, excuse me, and I just decorated it, and I'm going to stick it with some goodies in here that they have. And that's just so much fun. That's one of the acetate ones, and I just put some washi down on it and just decorated it up. So it'll be fun. I will have better pictures close up on my Instagram, DaretoBeCreative1, so you can see it better. Yep, so that's that one. And then here is the second one. This one says, have courage and be kind. So I had, a little bit different. And again, I had the washi on the side, the doily, the silver thread, not foil, the chipboard piece, and again, the cutouts from the paper pad. And on this side, this is how my envelope turned out. So I put the frame right here on the mitten, some thread. This is just because, the punch, and then some more ephemera. And again, I left the envelope open so they could see it. And then this is how that pocket letter turned out. Give the shaker in the middle. And this one says hugs, and again, that's from In Love Art Shop, and that says season's greetings, and that's the snow day, and that's the little gingerbread. So everything is kind of the same. It says hot cocoa in January, and I made that. I didn't put the goodies in there yet. I'm just trying to get everything done so I get the videos made. This is lots and lots of fluffy snow. There's the acetate kid, and I put some washi up here. And again, that's some ephemera that came along with the paper pad. So I will stuff that envelope. The pictures will be on my DaretoBeCreative 1 Instagram. So that is what I made. So that's 2 more. So that's 4 that I've made. And so I got 2 more to go, and then I should be done. Well, actually, I won't be done, but I'll have most of them done. Somebody just called me a little while ago and said they're coming, but I won't have time to make them one. So I had to catch them on the next group when some of the other girls are going to be able to come. So anyway, hopefully you like it, and it was fun to do that, and I hadn't done that in a long time. Our theme was new beginnings, or winter, new start kind of a thing. So I just stayed with the winter and did snow and cocoa, because our winter has been so mild, and I'm not complaining. Anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.